Are you still relying on manual method to design and manage your project while your competitor deliver faster, smarter and more efficient result? What if I told you that artificial intelligence could be your secret weapon which can give you the edge in civil engineering? In this video, I will break down what AI is, how it is reshaping our industry and the most importantly, how you can use it today. So let's start with what is artificial intelligence. AI or artificial intelligence refers to a machine or a system that mimics a human intelligence to perform a task. For example, AI can generate multiple building designs in a second. It can save you hours of time. Also, it can identify the patterns in the data which human might miss. Imagine AI as an intelligent assistant that never tires, never misses any details, and also keep learning. Why is AI relevant to civil engineering? AI tools can optimize structural designs, allowing you to create stronger and more cost-effective solutions. AI processes vast amount of project data, which can help engineers to make better decisions. For example, AI algorithm can suggest the best mix of concrete, which can improve both strength and the cost. AI ensures that your project is smarter, faster and more sustainable. Some of the real world example of AI in civil engineering. AI powered project scheduling tools like BuildDot or PlanLadder, which can reduce the delay by identifying the inefficiency in your project. Structural analysis softwares like Autodesk Insight, which helps you to design energy efficient designs. Drones with AI, which monitors the construction site in the real time, reducing safety risk and errors. AI is already here and it is proving its value every single day. How AI transforms the workflow in civil engineering? Let's see it step by step. AI in the design phase. Tools like Autodesk Generative AI allow you to input constraints like budget, material and load requirement. AI then generate thousands and hundreds of optimized design. For example, if you want to design a bridge, AI can stimulate different load condition and then find the best optimal design. This drastically reduces the manual trials and error work. AI in the construction phase. Drones powered by AI can monitor the construction site in the real time, which can create the 3D map of it in a seconds, helping you to spot problems earlier. AI-powered robots like SAM100, which can lay bricks 5x faster than human, reduces the labor cost. AI-based safety systems such as cameras with object detection ensures that workers are wearing helmets and following the protocols. AI in the maintenance phase. Predictive maintenance tools use sensor and AI to monitor structure in the real time, identifies the cracks and the corrosion or a weak point before they can become a serious issue. AI powered tools like digital twins create the virtual replica of a structure, allowing you to test or make any changes before implementing them in the real world environment. This approach saves time and money and the most importantly, ensure safety. Easy step to start using AI in your work. Learn the basic of AI tools. Start with the free resources. Platform like Coursera, EDX or YouTube offer the beginner friendly free AI tools learning. Focus on topics like basic of machine learning, data analytics and AI application in constructions. Course like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng give you the solid foundation in just 5 hours. Experiment with different AI software. First start with the tools which you are already using. Use the AI feature of that tool. Then explore the specialized software like PlanGrid for construction management or Bluebeam Review for collaborative workflow. Try using AI tools to auto-generate scheduling. Start with small and then scale up. Identify the one task in your workflow which can automate by using AI. Then implement an AI tool on that particular task and monitor it. Once you see the result, then integrate AI in other workflow. For example, you can start with project scheduling, then move to AI assistant designing. AI is not just a futuristic concept. It is a tool which is already transforming civil engineering and all other industries. By learning the basic, experiment with different tools and starting small, you can unlock the new level of efficiency, accuracy and innovation in your project. The world is moving fast and do not let yourself lag behind. Take the first step today and begin your journey in the AI powered civil engineering.